Hey, it's Carl here. I'm a vet B/C rider, and this is my Honda CRF 250 2022. So Honda for 2022 came out with the new model. Pretty much everything is new, ground up, but nonetheless I decided to upgrade my bike in places, and basically this is my build. Starting from the top, I use rental twin wall 999 I believe, without crossbar for better flex, rental grips, soft compound, and new concept donuts. I think they are looking cool. As for my levers, I'm using ARC levers. I'm waiting for RC8 clutch perch and some works connection brake receiver cover. All that is mounted to X-Trick Rocks triple clamps. I was using those clamps for a while now, and I really like how they work. Basically, I was using PHDS mount before, but now I switched to Flex Fit. It's way lighter, more compact, and the bar pad is fitting nicely, and the weight saving is just massive. Suspension is done by Mike from MP1, a great company. They're supporting me for a couple years now, and I have anodized tops and DLC coated lower. The works connection starting device, really good one. As for braking, I'm using Motostaff 280 rotor, plenty of stopping power, but my idea was to get more feel from the front brake. And we got this nice carbon fiber cover plate from Lightspeed. This is, I think, the only company that makes cover for this size of the rotor, so yeah, not much of the choice there. Works Connection has been a great supporter of mine. A lot of parts from them on the bike, from little covers, radiator braces, hour meters, starting device, and bunch of more pieces. This is a company that's doing a great job making those pieces that making bike looks really nice. Moving towards the center of the bike, like I said, we have Works Connection radiator braces, Nilo concept heat shield under the gas tank to keep the fuel really cool. FCP engine mounts and hangers, titanium, that's helping with the front end feel. Pro circuit shifter, really nice one, just billet, stronger aluminum piece. Obviously we have Hinson clutch, number one clutch in the business. This is part that I trust. Titanium footpegs, Raptors, really nice piece of titanium, shaving a little bit of weight. I also use anti-gravity battery for, again, weight saving. Rear brake pedal has been polished, but after one ride it's not super shiny anymore. Stock ECU has been replaced with Vortex unit. Maps were prepared by XPR. Chad did a great job on my previous bike, and yeah, I can tell it's a huge difference. Titanium exhaust system from Yoshimura. Amazing job those guys did. It's amazing exhaust. On the top we have a Guts Racing seat cover. Cycra Plastic, MX Graphics, you can find them on Instagram. They did pretty good job. So for the wheel set, I'm using SM Pro wheels, a company from England providing great wheels. As for the drive, I'm using rental sprockets and DID RTZ 3 chain. Pretty common setup, nothing crazy here. Basically I'm waiting for a couple parts again due to all shortages. It's difficult to get some parts now. I'm waiting for radiator hoses from Samco. I guess that's it. This is my CRF 2022, and if you have any question about the build, hit me up in comment section below, and if you like, this type of videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you next time. Take care.